Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the MSI MEG Vision XAI2 NVV9-043 US, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. Are you tired of lagging game lobbies, freezing screens, and sketchy performance that just won't cut it? Well, we've got some good news for you. There are desktops like this MSI MEG Vision XAI2 NVV9-043 US that can turn your gaming experience on its head. For those who are new to the world of high-end gaming PCs or haven't had a chance to upgrade in a while, let me tell you why this PC is a game changer. People have been clamoring for a machine that can deliver silky smooth performance, and with the MSI MEG Vision XAI2 NVV9-043 US, those dreams are finally within reach. So what makes this PC tick? First off, it's all about the graphics card. We're talking NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 16GB GDDR7, which means you'll be able to tackle even the most demanding games with ease. And let me tell you, it shows in real-world performance. I was able to play at max settings in some of my favorite titles without any issues whatsoever. Another key feature that sets this PC apart is its processor. The Intel Core Ultra 9 285K 24 cores are a beast, and they're capable of handling even the most complex tasks with speed and efficiency. Whether you're running resource-intensive software or just need a machine that can keep up with your daily workloads, this PC has got you covered. But what really gets me excited about this PC is its memory. 64GB of DDR5 RAM may seem like a lot, but trust me when I say it makes all the difference. Whether you're editing video, running multiple applications at once, or just need to have plenty of room for future upgrades, this PC has got more than enough to go around. Now, let's talk about what customers are saying about this PC in real-world use. From what I've seen so far, people are loving the performance and value that this PC offers. Of course, like with any machine, there are some minor complaints. Some folks have reported that the system can get a bit hot under heavy load, but overall, that's a minor trade-off for the level of performance you're getting. So is it worth buying? If you're someone who wants top-notch gaming performance, doesn't mind breaking the bank, and is willing to deal with any minor quirks that come with high-end hardware, then yes, this PC is definitely worth considering. But if you're on a tight budget or don't need the level of performance this PC offers, there are plenty of other options out there. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews.